on the bed, don't you? You want to get up on the bed.
Chanel, what is it, baby girl? You want to be up here with us? Huh?
It sure sounds like it.
She's gonna try. Oh my
Oh
god.
my gosh, I jumped on the bed.
Come on, baby. She's like determined. She'll jump up even if you don't want to.
Oh my
She's like, I
gosh.
don't care if you want to or not. I'm getting up here. You better get me up. You want to get up here? Do you want to get up here, Sugar?
She's getting annoyed.
Sugar. Sugar, careful. You hurt yourself. You're jumping too high. All right, let's get her.
Yeah, you're scared. Bye. Oh my